Hey, what's up, guys? Sean here with just a tip for you. When you're camping out and the weather is bad, keep everything that you don't necessarily need out put up. That way, if the weather does get bad, if it turns really nasty and you have to throw everything in your pack and book it out of there, you're already mostly packed up. So that's just a quick tip for you. I hope you're enjoying these. If you are enjoying them, give them that big thumbs up. Share them with your friends. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell. We'll see you next time.